Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Reserve fund. On retirement of a partner, undistributed profit or reserve standing at the balance sheet is to be credited to partner's capital accounts in the old profit sharing ratio. Alternatively, only the retiring partner's share may be transferred to his capital account if the other partners continue at the same profit sharing ratio. Example: X, Y and Z were in partnership sharing profits and losses at the ratio 3:2:1. X retired and Y and Z agreed to continue at the ratio 2:1. Reserve balance was rupees 12,000. So the journal entries. Distribution of revaluation gain to all the partners should be done in old sharing ratio, that is 3:2:1. So X gets 12,000 into 3 by 6 is equal to 6,000, Y gets 12,000 into 2 by 6 is equal to 4,000 and Z gets 12,000 into 1 by 6 is equal to 2,000. So the entry will be creation of reserve account is reserve account debit 12,000 to X, Y and Z's capital account in the old ratio, that is 6,000, X 6,000, Y 4,000 and Z 2,000. This amount is adjusted into X capital account, that is the retiring partner. So retiring partner's share is adjusted to his. So the entry would be reserve account debit 6,000 to X capital account 6,000. In this case, Y and Z continued at the same ratio 3:2 as they did before A's retirement. Example 2. X, Y and Z were equal partners. Z decided to retire. X and Y decided to continue at the ratio of 3:1. Reserve standing at the date of retirement of Z was rupees 18,000. So journal entries. So calculation of gaining ratio is for X 3 by 5 minus 1 3 is equal to 4 by 15. Y is 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 15. So the gaining ratio X is to Y is 4 by 15 is to 1 by 15. So 4 is to 1. So the entry for creation of reserve account would be reserve account debit to X capital account 6,000, Y 6,000 and Z's capital account 6,000 in the old ratio, that is 1:1:1. This amount is transferred to continuing partners account. So X capital account in the gaining ratio. So X capital account would be 4,800, Y's capital account would be 1,200 to Z's capital account 6,000. The amount of Z's capital account is transferred to the continuing partners in the ratio of gaining ratio of 4:1. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.